we have a BJP government here and there's a BJP government at the center. So a double engine government which has created double amount of problems. So whether it is the people's conditions, unemployment, price rise, rural distress, failure to implement Manrega, providing rations for all this is a failure on part of the BJP government, and our state conference will discuss all these matters, and I'm confident that they will come out with a plan of action program which will rally all the democratic sections and other sections of working people.
When you say that the economy is in a bad condition, you said the money is going in few hands only, and
Yes.
they claim about Viksit Bharat and other things in such as.
The recent figures show that the economy is going through a severe slowdown. So while there is a severe slowdown, people are suffering, but the only people who have profited or benefited are a handful of big capitalists.
Thank you, sir.
স্বাদে ভরা ঘিয়ের সুবাস লংতরায়
কি ভালো খেতে,
শুদ্ধ ঘিয়ের আবেশ ভরা লংতরায়
অপূর্ব সুগন্ধ, পুষ্টি ভরা ঘিয়ের খাবার, গাওয়া ঘি প্রিয় সবার লংতরায়।
একেই বলে বিশুদ্ধ ঘি। বিশুদ্ধ ঘি নাম মনে রেখো লংতরায়।
লংতরাই ঘি রোজ খাবারে তোমাকে চাই।
লংতরায় লংতরায় লংতরায়।